So in today's video, I will show you how to do the 3D screen effect on CapCut. So first of all, you need to import your clip to your timeline and you need to import this player 3 effect. Okay, so put it above the clip you want to do and make sure to let some time here to the video start, because this effect adds a motion and a fade in to your video. Okay, so now all you need to do is remove the glow, remove the texture, and you can play with this rotate option. I will put mine like this, and now you can click Option and G or Alt plus G, so you can create a compound clip and scale this a little bit. And you can also add keyframes to this effect. So I can put a keyframe right here and make it like this. So the video will be rotating. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe.